What's up, you guys? It's Marf. It is May 9th, 2018. Just wanted to make this a very quick and to the point video. As many of you know, Israel and Iran have been going back and forth tit for tat. Well, yesterday, Israel basically struck an Iranian-linked base in Syria. Now, it looks like Israel is preparing for a massive attack. They have put the Iron Dome missile defense system, basically they've deployed it in the north of Israel. So they're definitely expecting something. I'm going to keep a watch on this, and I think that everybody should be watching this because, honestly, this could be a flashpoint for a World War III scenario. Now, if you don't believe that, or if you think that that's just fear-mongering, then you definitely need to follow more news. All right, well, thank you guys. Not trying to be patronizing, by the way. Have a great day, and Marf out. I also wanted to make a side note. Getting lots of emails saying that no one is talking about that people are going nuts on Twitter, basically saying that there's tons of attacks in the Golan Heights area. Just wanted to acknowledge you guys and let you know that I am paying attention and I believe people should be talking about this. So, in that, thanks again. Marf out.